A hearing today in the case against Luigi Mangione, who is accused of gunning down United Healthcare CEO. A federal judge allowed testimony from an Altoona, Pennsylvania police officer on how personal property is secured after a public arrest. NTD's Arlene Richards has more details.
A New York federal judge on Friday in the case against Luigi Mangione, the 27-year-old man accused of killing a United Healthcare CEO, listened to testimony from an Altoona, Pennsylvania police officer. District Judge Margaret Garnett, after changing a previous ruling, allowed the officer to explain department procedures for securing, safeguarding, and inventorying the personal property of a person who has been arrested in public. Mangione's defense is hoping to have evidence found in his backpack tossed from the case before a potential federal death penalty trial. They have argued that the search of his belongings happened without a warrant. Prosecutors say police did nothing wrong and maintain that the evidence would have eventually been found since the bag was with Mangione when he was arrested. Altoona police arrested Mangione at a McDonald's restaurant in December 2024, 5 days after the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson. Customers at the restaurant alerted the manager that Mangione might be the man seen in a surveillance photo. Several Altoona officers testified during a 3-week hearing in state court, where Mangione is also seeking to exclude key evidence found in the backpack, including ammunition and a gun. The state court judge will rule on the evidence in May. Mangione has pleaded not guilty in both cases. In a separate effort, the defense is asking that the top federal charges against Mangione be thrown out due to alleged violations of his constitutional rights. Those charges include stalking and assault with a deadly weapon. Removing those charges would block prosecutors from seeking the death penalty. Mangione is scheduled to be in court again on January 30th for a status conference. Garnett said Friday that jury selection would begin on September 8th. Scheduling of the rest of the trial, including opening statements and testimony, is contingent on whether she allows prosecutors to seek the death penalty. It's one of several issues the judge is weighing. Arlene Richards, NTD News.